Hi everyone, I'm back and I'm going to show you some stuff for things I was going to show everyone. So first off, this is something I really like to do. What I really play really often is Four Seasons. Don't know if you know this, but if you don't, you see it. I'll get my little cursor here. Here you have the website royalgames.com. And what I always play is Four Seasons. Why doesn't it do the... Oh yeah, now it does. Okay, so I play this a lot. And as you can see down here, I've played it 42,274 times. Yeah, that's crazy, I know. But I just play this while I'm watching a TV show or something like that. I just play it and I like to just, it zens me out. So that was that. Now, for the finding stuff on YouTube, let's just go to YouTube without me logging into my own account so that it's just like you guys would be going to YouTube. So, going to YouTube, here we are. Then what I would do is type in my channel, Annemarie Ridderhof, and then here's my channel. You click on my channel, and then we have that little magnifying glass. See that here where my cursor is turning circles around? So when you click on the magnifying glass and you would type in resin, then you get all my videos where I talk about resin. See that? Resin, resin, resin. Lots of them. So then you get all the everything that has resin in the oh, that's a lot where I see no resin, but okay. At least the first ones are all about resin. Then for the Dutch people, if you just type in Dutch, you will get all the Dutch videos. There they are, all the Dutch ones. Now, I know there are a lot of people that are asking about my jewelry. So here you have the jewelry stuff. Lots of things about the jewelry. But you can also look for a necklace. It's really late and I'm really tired. You can see I'm typing like someone that can't spell. So here's the necklace ones. Okay. So you get the idea. Now, another thing you can do is when you are playing one of my videos, you go down here and you go to, on yours it'll say more information or something like that. So when you see this, and now I'm looking for the one that says everything you need. Oh, that is strange. Oh boy. Okay, let's take another one. Let's do another one. One of the recent ones. Oh no, first I want to show you the playlists. So if you click on playlist, as you can see, I have all the playlists now from here it is. Here you see them all the playlist. And I even made big ones like 0 to 101, to 102, 301, 401, 501. So all these playlists have about 100 videos in them. So that's for the people, they have asked me about, how can I watch your videos in sequence? Well, this is the easy way. So all you have to do is click on this. If you were to click on this one, starts at number 100. Oh no, wait a minute, I got the wrong one. Well, at least you know what I mean. So there are 100 in the playlist. Okay? Now I'm going to go back and pick out a really new one that's like this one. And here you see, here, this one. All the info you need. You click on this, then Google Drive opens, and here you have an Excel sheet. Here you have some pouring medium things, and the buying specs, don't look at that because that is old. But here you have the Excel sheet. So I'm going to open that one. Now here you see all the keywords, all the videos, and like if you were to look for combing the pore, this is where I use the comb in the pore. That's video 530, 561, 569, 629. So it's really easy to find the videos for something that you're looking for. So the feather paint, feathering the paint edges. Here we have using the paint mix, all the videos about paint mixing, gessoing the canvas, golden glitter. Well, I could go on forever, but you know, here this is a really big Excel sheet that shows you everything with keywords. So that's really easy to find my videos. And all you have to do is go under the video, click on more information, and you will find the link, this one, all the info you need. And of course, I have my coffee mug on Curios. This is the coffee mug. Coffee with Annemarie. Sure, do it. So this is the coffee mug. That's kind of cool. And I got a lot of stuff on here. Okay, now for the vacation. I'm going on vacation tomorrow. So where am I going? I'll show you where I'm going. The house I rented is called Juffer. And it's on Ameland. And I'll just show you, this is it. This is, no, it won't go bigger. Let's see if I can get another one. If this one will go bigger. That's the house. They just sold this house a couple of months ago for €500,000. Can you imagine that? That is really unbelievable. Now if I could get bigger pictures. Oh, there we are. Okay, so that's the house. That's the back of the house. Also the back, that's the bathroom. That's the living room. That's the living room and the kitchen. That's kind of neat. I kind of like it. I can live with that. I think I could always live with that. Okay, but you get the idea. The bedrooms, the bathroom again, and the living room again. That's it. So that's where I'm going to be staying, and I'll show you where that is on the map. Because a lot of people don't know where that is. They think I'm going to the Caribbean or something like that. But I'm not going to the Caribbean. Let me get you there. Maps. Okay, now I'll just, let's see. So I live right here, Enschede. That's right on the German border. So I'm going to drive up here, up, and I'm going here to Holwerd. And I'll zoom in a little bit. That's where I'm going. This is where the boat leaves. So like I said in the previous video, the boat really goes zigzagging right through here because this is not really deep. When the tide is out, you can walk from here to the island. They do that with groups of people. But they made this sort of a thing where you can see how it goes zigzag. You see that? So that's really zigzaggy all the way to Ameland. And then I'm gonna be living right here in this little house. This one. That's the house. So then I'll take my little electric bike, because this time I'm gonna take an electric bike, and I'll go biking down here, then up here, and there we have the really, really, really big beach where I find all my driftwood. This is really big. This is about, this is almost 1 kilometer, so 1,000 meters wide. So this is where no one goes. No one really thinks that's interesting, but I do, because then all the stuff, the good stuff, will be right here. So I'll zoom it out a little bit. So here you have Ameland. This one is Terschelling. And I'll put it back on the other chart. It's better. See that? That's Ameland. That's Terschelling. These two you can take your car. Now here's one, Vlieland. Vlieland. Vlieland, yeah. But you can't take your car. You have to, you know, just walk. Well, you go on the boat and then walk. This one you can take your car. That's Texel. And that's just a sandbank. But if you want to go here, you have to take a different boat. So then, this is my island. And then we have another one, Schiermonnikoog. This one has no cars. Also, you can't take your car. Only the people that live there. Then we have a really small one, Rottermerplaat. And then these are the same islands, but they're from Germany. So Germany has these. That's Borkum, Joost, Noordenay, Baltrum, and Langeoog. These are all German islands. So that's where I'm going to be. And then when we're done there, we're staying a week. And then we're going to go drive right back to Enschede. That's right here. And then let's zoom in where I live. That's where the little blue dot is. That's where I live. As you can see, all countryside. So that's kind of cool. And that's where I live, in that little blue dot. Then this is the city of Enschede. You can see how busy that is. And if I really zoom in, I could show you where I work somewhere. If I could find it. I don't know. But somewhere around here. That's where I work. Okay, guys. That's about it. So I'll see you all next week. Hope you make some beautiful art. Hope you have some really beautiful weather. And I hope I have that too. And we'll see each other next time. Love you all to pieces, guys. See ya.